So hello my YouTube family, before starting just click on that subscribe button and also like the video. So let's get started. So our first card is Trimp Divolos D6. Just see the beautiful color combination it is. The red tip, the yellow and blackish. It's attack ring. Okay, here we get our pay through our QR code. So this is our QR code for this pay. You can have it. Just scan it in your Beyblade Burst app and you will get Trimp Divolos D6 just as I got. So let's move on to our next blade, which is Mirage Luinor L6. The orange version, which is really rare. So let's try for the hit 100. Oh, I just got 75. Not a problem. Here's got your QR code. So just scan it in your app and you will have your Mirage Luinor L6. Just see that beautiful color combination, man. Just lovely. So let's move on to our next Beyblade, which is a Burst Fafnir F6. I gave the QR code you before. Oh, we got a 5 disc with it. So let's try to unlock it as soon as possible. And let's trade hunt. Okay, we got it perfect, guys. We got it perfect. And bam. So down there, this is your QR code, guys. Boom, scan it out in your Beyblade Burst app and get a level 5 Burst Fafnir F6. So let's move on to our next Beyblade, which is a Kisphere Hyperion H6. Oh man, I was finding this blade like from so long time, and that's a perfect, guys. Here's your QR code, scan it in your app, enjoy, and here we go. So now moving on further, okay, I will show you my friend list later on, but let's fight it like it's a gameplay event. So I will choose this Spare Hyperion H6, which looks really dope with its colors. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you are liking it till now. So here's some unique QR codes, you can scan it out. I just have scanned it in my Beyblade Burst app, so didn't record it. Like if you once scan one QR code in your Beyblade Burst app, then you can't scan it once again. So here is another QR code you can scan. So let's try to hit Hyper Spear. Come on. Okay, no, I didn't get it. Oh, our opponent is also at level 5A. That's really unique. Okay, let's try to hit him with all we got. Whoa, that's some power. Did you just see that? Okay, let's move on. Let's try to hit him again. Okay, here's our Hyper Spear time. Come on, man, you can do it this time. Yes, you can. Okay, he missed, man. How he can miss this time? Still, no worries. Oh, that's some damage. Oh, just sorry guys, turn off the recording. I lost that one. So let's move on to this fight. Let's see what we can do here. I got it 75 this time, not 100. Still no worries, I will try my best to beat him. Okay, let's grab some stamina. Okay, one more special energy ball. Come on, yes. Okay, and here's our oh, I got it just too late. It is a 75%. I just thought I'm gonna hit him this time. Yes, he got busted, man. Just with my 75% he got busted. So like and subscribe for the burst finish. Let's move on to our next round, which is round 3. Let's try to finish him in this round with a single blow. of extreme superior power. And here we go, guys. Let's collect those energy balls. These energy balls are the key source to win a fight. You have to collect them in the mean course of time. So let's move on. Our opponent is attacking, 50% attack, not much effective. It's our turn. Come on, yes, I'm ready. And here we go. Oh yes, we hit the perfect, guys. We hit the damn perfect. Let's see. Damn. Oh man, did you just see that? I'm gonna bust him. So here's your another QR code. Okay, come on Hypersphere, I can got it. Come on Hypersphere, come on. Oh man, again, let's finish him this time. Oh, I got it too early. Let's see. And bam. Yes guys, we burst him. Second burst finish. So do hit that subscribe button. If you didn't subscribe till now, we are very near to 1000 subscribers, very close to 1000 subscribers. So I know you can do it, guys. Just hit that subscribe button and we will reach our goal so soon. So let's move on to our next section, where I am going to show you how much love, how much respect I got from the players, or I say player community. These are my friends which I'm gonna accept today their friend request. Did you just see that? There are just so many of them. I can't even explain you how happy I am that I got so many Blade of friends in my Beyblade Burst app. So thank you all for showing this love, guys. You all are the best persons. Man, I just can't stop to like accept. So let's move on. Okay, these are like never-ending friends of mine. Okay, I just fast forwarded the video. Even then you can see that how many people just send me friend requests, just how many people like my content. So yes, this is the last person for till now. So these are my friends. If you are one of them, then do comment down below. So okay, this is our Spear Hyperion and I'm Freestyle Blader. So Freestyle Blader here, over and out. So do hit that subscribe button and also like the channel. Thanks for watching.